Hashtag Union LA Delta Mids off Norris. Look at this box. Pretty awesome. Well, let's actually take a closer look at them. Wow, look at this. Look at this. These are kind of like the Jordan 4s that were released as well on the same day, but super high top and interesting bottoms. Look at that. This is yeah, very interesting looking shoe, but I don't know what is so awesome about it. Apparently, since it's a Union LA, it gets a lot of attention. So I mean, nice looking shoe, very odd design, but hey, everybody likes these types of shoes, right? I would go very in-depth into it, but I honestly do not know much about it. All I know is that it's a hot shoe, and it's an off Nor and Union LA. So these are definitely shoes that are flipping. So if you're in the market for these, I mean, you should have gotten them on the drop, because these are going for about 300 bucks. So I got these off the SNKRS app raffle, apparently. I won these, I don't know how. Wish I got the Jordan 4s, but hey, these are good enough. And these are up for sale, and they're size 10 in men, so if you're interested, let me know. Also, got a couple of other ones. I got some Yeezys. I got some more Yeezys. I got some Space Hippies. We got some Air Max Sprites. We got some SB Dunk Sambas. Some Jordan Retro 6s, the hairs, and also we have the Jordan Retro 5s, the SC Oregons. So these are all for sale. Hit me up. They all range from 8.5 to 10. So let me know. All interested. Peace.